Do you spend time manually scanning new leads, writing summaries, and creating tasks in ClickUp just so nothing slips through the cracks? Let's stop that. In this video, I'll show you how to automate lead qualification and auto-assignment with an n8n workflow using GPT-4 Mini. Let's see how it works. First, the workflow kicks off every 5 minutes. This ensures it constantly checks for new or updated leads in your Google Sheet without you needing to refresh or run it manually. Then, the next node pulls in all lead records from the sheet: status, contact details, company info, so the workflow always has the most up-to-date data for processing. Next, a decision node checks each lead's status field. If it's marked qualified or hot, the workflow continues. If not, it stops there, saving time and keeping only relevant leads moving forward. For leads that pass the check, it sends the lead info into a basic LLM chain with GPT-4 Mini. It generates a short summary, company background, intent, and suggested next steps, so every lead gets context. Next, the summary and lead data are parsed and restructured into a clean format. This makes sure all summaries and lead details can be used directly in task creation without manual editing. Now, it automatically creates a new task in ClickUp with assignee, due date, priority, lead summary, company details. This ensures proper ownership and context for every lead. Next, the workflow extracts details from the newly created task, like task ID, status, and assigned owner, and prepares them in a structured format. Finally, it updates the original Google Sheet with ClickUp task info, so both systems remain in sync. At the end of execution, you get a fully automated lead to task pipeline. New leads in Google Sheets, AI-powered qualification and summaries, auto-created ClickUp tasks with ownership and due dates, real-time updates synced back to the sheet. If your sales team uses Google Sheets plus ClickUp, this workflow can save you hours every week, avoid dropped leads, and speed up handoffs. You can download the exact workflow from the link in the description. If you found this valuable, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. We'll be sharing more real-world automations like this. And if you want us to tailor this flow to your use case, drop a comment with your requirements.